All right, today, y'all, I got something really, really, really special because I love Yoshinoya. I'm not sure if Yoshinoya is everywhere in the States, but it's definitely in California, okay? I'm thinking it's just a West Coast thing. But anyway, this is the recipe for a Yoshinoya beef bowl. We're using this really thinly sliced ribeye I got from my local Asian market. You can get it from your butcher. Ask them to slice it thin. I don't know. I'm not going to say whatever amount of inch. I have no idea, just extremely thin. I got this for $7.03. Super cheap. It's a little under a pound, but it fed 3 people, okay? So this is what we start with. I have to move my Mexican candy out the way because that's not part of this video. But if you know, you know, okay? So let's start with slicing a delicious onion. Brown, yellow, white does not matter. They all taste the same to me with slight variations, but I do love me a good onion, so it does not matter to me, okay? So we're just slicing these onions up as thin as possible. That one's a little big, but it's just going down the same way. So that's fine, but you know, you want it thin. So we get some fresh garlic, and we're going to slice this thin, or however if you want to dice it, whatever. It is all good, okay? Just try to use fresh garlic. Makes a big difference. Y'all know I'm gonna use some dried in a minute, but I do like fresh. So anyway, you put these aromatics in a pot and you add seasoning. That's mirin. Sweet soy sauce is what I use. If y'all hear the babies in the background, y'all know how they are while I'm trying to do my voiceover. And some sugar. Now, I was supposed to add beef broth in the camera, and I did not, but I did add some beef broth. I will have the amounts in the description, and you bring this to a boil, okay? So now, we are getting our water ready for one of my favorite vegetables, bok choy. It's like becoming like an addiction for me. So also we're gonna make some jasmine rice. If you use really, really good rice, you don't have to do a whole lot of rinsing, but yet and still, you must rinse. Cold water rinse, okay? Rinse it until that water runs clear, or as clear as it's gonna be. If it's cheap rice, it's gonna take a little minute. So you put like, I don't know, like a ½ inch of water over the rice, set it on the stove, boom, bam. Okay, now we are cleaning our bok choy. This is very necessary, especially depending on what store you get it from. Sometimes they're full of dirt, okay? And you don't want to be chomping on grit while you're eating, okay? That's happened to me before, okay? So I split them in half, soak them in water, let all that sediment fall to the bottom. Now that is our beef broth that was simmering with the aromatics, and we are putting our bok choy in the pot to boil. You want to cook them a different way? Hey, it's up to you. This is how I like them, and I like them really tender, okay? So that's our rice. I switched pots, I know, but that pot was too small. This is where our beef broth and onions is at the moment, and there we go. The magic of editing. We added our sliced ribeye in there, and this literally only cooks for 2 minutes. I added an extra minute, but you can boil the crap out of it if you want to, because it has a little bit of bite back. Because it is thin, it is very easy to eat, but you don't want to like overcook it, or you want to overcook it, okay? It's a preference thing, okay? It took me 3 minutes because it's very thin, and it's ribeye, okay? So there we go. That is power of editing and the magic. That's done. There is our fluffy jasmine rice. You don't have to use jasmine. You can use regular rice if you want. I like the flavor of jasmine. Look at that juice. That's delicious. There is our super soft bok choy. So good. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're gonna plate. We start with our jasmine rice with our look at it. If you know Yoshinoya, you know that's gonna be good. Now they don't serve bok choy Yoshinoya, but it's fine. They do like a California blend. But anyway, here we go. We got to put our broth on top. I always order extra from Yoshinoya because I love it. And there we go. You can have this plain or with sriracha, but it's better with sriracha. I hope you guys try it. Let me know and enjoy.